Ayan at magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Robert Jojo Antonio. Ako po ay may papanood sa inyo at makikita po natin dito sa video na to ay ang Pangulo ay talagang napakalakas pa at itong mga gumagawa ng fake news talagang hindi natin talaga dapat paniwalaan ng mga taong gumagawa ng fake news. Panoorin po natin ang ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos.
Hey, sir.
Sir, how's your regular exercise routine like? What do you do?
I do weights and then I go on the elliptical machine. That's an average. I work towards a heart rate, so 130 beats per minute.
And that's daily, sir?
No,
How often, sir?
I try for 4 times a week. I try for 2 days on, 1 day rest. 2 days on, 1 day rest.
Sir, before you were very quiet about answering your bashers and trolls. What was the breaking point? What was the tipping point? Bakit kayo nag-decide to attack it otherwise today?
Number question na. I don't want people to worry. I don't want people to think that really that there's a problem. Because sa dami ng problema natin na hinaharap because of the war in the Middle East, sa dami ng hinaharap natin problema, that would be an additional problem of concern for our people. So I thought the easiest way is to show that I'm still very active physically.
Okay, thank you, sir. Salamat. Thank you, sir.
Ayun, no, nagtatak.
Sir, teka. Wait lang.
Bigla kayo, pati kayo.
Pati kami nag...
Tama na kuman nyo dito.
Okay.